Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning back in. My name is Mo if you are new here. So for today's DIY, we're going to be making this lovely and a very easy rustic farmhouse wreath. It is so beautiful for the fall, guys. You're going to see how super easy this is. So if you want to see how to make your own, then keep on watching. So here are the supplies that you will need. It is all listed here for you and you can find them all at Dollar Tree. So let's get started. So for this DIY, you're going to need some yellow and orange paint. I went on ahead and put it on a paper plate for myself. You guys know how I do it. So you're going to need yellow and orange to get this started. You're also going to need some paint brushes. I use two, I guess, for each for the paint. One for the yellow, one for the orange. You can use the same, use the lighter color. So like I said, you're going to need paintbrush. You can get all of the supplies at Dollar Tree. Also, you're going to need some cone foams to get this started. I use these two small foams. You can get those at Dollar Tree as well. So once we get that going, we're going to watch and see how I do the painting. We're going to start at the bottom. So let's go ahead and get this started. As you can see that I'm going in the bottom section first, you want to go ahead and apply. And let me tell you something, you're going to use a lot of paint for the foam because I thought I didn't need that much, but you will need a good amount of paint. So you want to get the yellow on there. So we're trying to get this to look like candy corns. And I thought that it came out amazing, like it was perfect. So we're going to go around and get it to the level that you want it. I started off with the yellow because I really wanted to look like candy corns on there. So that's what we're going to keep doing and work our way around. Next, you're going to do with the orange section, do the same thing, repeat the same process on both of the foams. And that's what we're going to do. And you definitely will need to have these to let them dry before applying it. You don't want it to kind of run. So this is how it looks once it's done. It looks just like a candy corn. I was so pleased and impressed with it. I thought it looked amazing. Now you're going to need your wreath. So what I did is I gave it that little rustic look. You can get the twine and I wrapped it all the way around to give it that look like it's being held together. Then you're going to take these are the flowers that I selected from Dollar Tree. You can pick whichever one you want to give your farmhouse type rustic fall wreath look. But these are the ones that I chose. And I thought that they were so pretty and they matched perfectly for my wreath that I wanted to do. So you're just going to go ahead and just cut all the stems, the amount of stems that you want to use. You don't have to use exactly what I do. You can use more or you can use less. So this is what I did to get that look. Next, you're going to just kind of line them up together to see where you want them. You want to put it right on the center, and that's what I was doing here. You just kind of layer the flowers in the arrangement that you want them to be. So in the center, you're going to go ahead and take your twine, and then you're going to just tie it. Just kind of wrap it around the center there. And just tie it really firm together there. Make sure that is it, tied, really tight. And that's what I did. I just put them together, held them together, and tied them really tight together. Made a good little knot. So that way it won't unravel or anything like that, and that my flowers will stay in place. And then kind of wrap it around and just looped it. And if you want to put glue on to the back so it can stay, that's fine. So I just continue to tie it, giving an extra tie to it so it won't unravel at all. And that's very important when you put it there. Just make sure that your flowers and everything is centered right in the middle. I thought this looked so cute and so amazing and just easy, guys. Super, super easy. So this is how it's going to look once it's done with that. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and take your twine, put the glue on top, and then tie it to the top of your wreath. Once you're done, you put your fall ribbon on there, and this is how the finished product look, guys. Look how cute this is. Look like candy corns and a rustic farmhouse wreath. I love the way it turned out. Guys, if you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. I really, really appreciate you guys watching. Again, I will see you guys on the next video. Live your life beautifully, but don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button for all new videos. Bye, guys.